Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, ingrown hairs, quick, easy solution. Two solutions, right? So one is a save solution, one is where you would splurge. Your save solution is called Tin Skin. The bottle looks like this. I got this on Amazon, and you can use it if you're a guy, for your beard, for a girl on your bikini line, under your arms. This bottle is probably around 20 bucks. It's 8 ounces and it lasts a year. Honestly, it lasts so long. It's so worth it. But it will significantly reduce ingrown hairs. It kills bacteria, and I have tried everything. And then finally, I went to the splurge side myself and went for laser hair removal, which is what got me into this business. So if you're tired of dealing and you work it in your budget, laser hair removal is your splurge option. I hope this is helpful. Order this product if you haven't tried it, and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have further questions, if you need more help, you can find me at sarakconsulting.com. We can FaceTime, we can talk about it. I'll answer all your questions. Hit me up and I'll catch you next week.